Not very long time ago, we could interact with programs only through textual interfaces. Time passed and we were introduced to graphical interfaces where we could click on buttons and navigate through pages. And now everybody is busy swiping, scrolling, and tapping. But how these graphical interfaces are developed? By Android, iOS, Flutter, React Native, and other frameworks, you might say. Well, yeah, but how Android itself is making this magic happen? Yeah, I know, I'm going too deep, you say. Probably you just want to learn how to talk Android and don't care about the internals. Well, just be patient, we will reach the point of writing applications in at least one of these frameworks. But first, we are going to write our own UI framework. I know, right?